Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your phone and Chromecast must share the same Wi-Fi band because devices discover each other locally. Once plugged into the TV HDMI and powered, switch the TV to that HDMI input so you see the Chromecast code. Open the Google Home app, tap the plus icon and choose Setup Device. This starts the device pairing and network selection. Follow on screen prompts to name the device and connect it to Wi-Fi. Next, you configure details that let casting work smoothly. You will grant local network and Bluetooth permissions in the Google Home app so your phone can find and control the Chromecast. This is why discovery sometimes fails. Set a clear device name and room so you can identify it when multiple devices exist. Once configured, open a Cast-enabled app, tap the Cast icon, and select your Chromecast. That streams media, while the Home app manages device. To finish, test playback, start a video, then control it from your phone or browser. You'll see volume and playback controls. If casting from a laptop, use Chrome's Cast to send a tab or the entire desktop. Make sure your phone stays on the same network and that power remains steady. If it won't connect, reboot the Chromecast and router first. This clears transient network issues. If problems persist, perform a factory reset by holding the device button for about 25 seconds until the LED blinks, then set up again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.